Hey team, Coach A here, and this is going to be a quick tutorial to remind you guys how to do your revisions. This is revision part 2. So why does this matter? Well,
my name is Bob.
it's simple. It's magic. So you get, every time you do a revision, you take an assignment that you did poorly on, you get half your points back when done properly. So you can take a 40, pretty low out, and you do a revision, that can become a 7. So you literally take half the 6. Here's the real one, 60. That's an F. 60 is an F. You do a revision, now it's an 80. That's a B-. So revision's a pretty magical thing, and that's why we're going to go over and briefly how to do it. So the key to a good revision is utilizing our revision sentence starters. So I gave you 4. Now there's other ways to do it, and as long as you demonstrate to me that you recognize why the correct answer is the correct answer, I will accept it. But the easiest way for you to do that is to utilize these 4 revision sentence starters. So when you're doing a Newsela article, you are going to be given the correct answer. So if you hit C and the correct answer was A, it is going to tell you that the correct answer is A. So I'm going to give you everything you need to know how to do your revision, but all I am asking humbly is that you don't do something that I have had happen every single year, and it is where a student gets 0 out of 10, 0 out of 4, and they open a revision sheet, and then they put A, B, C, D. Since Newsela gave you the correct answer, that isn't a revision. That's the start of a revision, because again, the whole point of a revision is for you to learn why the correct answer is correct. So you should take the correct answer, reread, and then figure out why that's the correct answer. So maybe you missed a key term. The key term was. Maybe you missed some context clues. We know about this one from our pre-assessment when it was talking about Lady Liberty's moorings in the bay. And everything was aquatic, so it lets you know that depths meant water, not other forms of depths. That was a context clue. Sometimes something will relate to another thing, which will make that correct. And then there's other times where you just didn't read the instructions correctly. So A, B, and C relate to the answer, but they were looking for except. So D was the except. So if you had hit A, B, or C, you would then say the instructions were looking for except, and D was the only except in this situation. So I'm just going to reiterate, if you just give me the correct letter choice, but you did not give me the rationale, you did not tell me why that is correct, you'll get 0 points. Also, please don't just copy and paste the correct answer. Also 0 points. I need to see you explain, preferably using our sentence starters, why the correct answer is the correct answer. On the same line, I don't need you to explain to me why you picked the wrong answer. I only need you to explain to me why the correct answer is the correct answer. Now, you can do this on any Newsela article. You can also revise any assignment that is not a notebook test. So here's how we're going to do it. First, you go to the assignment that requires a revision. So let's say Unit 1, Day 4, you got a 2 out of 4. That's a 50%. That's below 66. That requires a revision. So you'll click on that assignment. It will look like this. And you will have the option to unsubmit. You're going to click unsubmit. Once you've clicked unsubmit, you're going to see add, create, mark as done. You want to create a new doc. So click create. Now it's going to ask you doc, slides, sheets, or drawings. Docs. So we click on docs. Now it's going to make your new document. So it will say your name dash Unit 1 Day 4 urbanization. So now all we do is we click on our new document. And now you have a completely blank document. And this is the document you're going to put your correct answer and your proper rationale. So this is the area where you will say, this is the revision A, or this is the revision A is the correct answer, since the text states, all right, that's unwieldy. But simply put, just follow your revision sentence starters and you're going to get half your points back. So that 50 F is going to become a C, 75. That's pretty huge. And that's why revision is so important. So come back next time for some more tutorials, everybody. Be smart, be safe. I'll see you next time.